Today, this episode is about Cheong Wa Dae. Cheong Wa Dae is basically the Blue House of Korea. This place is equivalent to the White House in the United States. And typically the current president of Korea would live there, and you would never ever trespass or whatever, just like in the White House. But the current president actually chose to live in Yongsan, which is not where the Cheong Wa Dae is. They actually opened the Cheong Wa Dae up for visitors to tour the entire place. This is an incredibly new and unique opportunity to really immerse yourself within the Korean culture and take some really good photos, because this place has those cultural rooftops and the house is technically an entire palace. I went to Cheong Wa Dae a year ago, and when I went there, it was really big and really majestic inside. There were a lot of tourists, obviously, because this is pretty much a once in a lifetime, not once in a lifetime, but a very rare thing to do. And it only happened this year. And next year, the new president will have to choose whether to live in Cheong Wa Dae or in another place. And this might be the only chance that we have to visit this extremely guarded area that is a very unique place to go to. I remember inside there were tall staircases and red carpets and chandeliers. I remember seeing lots of walls of portraits, and overall it was super majestic and just like a palace. So thank you for listening in on this episode of Cheong Wa Dae. I really recommend that you go here as soon as possible, because they may or may not be closing very, very soon, and you'll probably never ever be able to go there again. Thank you. Bye.